Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the device and state. Note your OS and laptop model so you download correct drivers. Once done, plug in an external mouse to keep working while you troubleshoot. Make sure to toggle the touchpad key or FN combination and reboot into BIOS to verify the touchpad is enabled. This rules out hardware disablement. If the touchpad is off in BIOS, enable it save, and reboot now to see if clicks return before moving to driver steps. You should now focus on software. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall/reinstall the touchpad driver using the vendor package rather than generic drivers. Once installed, make sure to adjust click sensitivity, tap to click, and palm rejection options in settings so physical clicks register reliably. If settings look correct, run the OS or manufacturer hardware troubleshooter and perform a calibration if available. These steps fix misreporting and unintended palm inputs. If problems persist, proceed to firmware and hardware checks. You complete the fix by checking for firmware updates from the laptop maker and applying them only if they address touchpad behavior. Then power down, remove battery if possible, and inspect the touchpad flex cable and connector for looseness or debris. Reseat and clean contacts gently and reassemble. Once done, boot and test clicks. If it still fails, boot a live USB OS to isolate the issue. Make sure to try one key troubleshooting tip. If clicks work externally but not internally, suspect a faulty touchpad assembly and plan replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.